Well, cancer is no stranger to Kentucky. In fact, the numbers are pretty grim here. Kentucky leads the country in cancer deaths and cases of lung, breast, colorectal, and cervical cancer. Despite those tough statistics, we are making strides. Tonight, we sit down with the head of the Markey Cancer Center to talk about the ground being made and the state of cancer in Kentucky.
2 years ago, Jacqueline Trigg was going through life just fine, serving others as a public transit driver.
I always have been waiting for that big moment. You know, when you work in the service world, you're always doing so much for other people.
Something big came, but not what she was planning for when she received some frightening news.
By the time I got diagnosed, I was relieved because I had been through so much pain, physical pain, mental anguish, you know, going to the doctors and stuff, and no one could pinpoint it.
At 51, Trigg was diagnosed with stage 4 ovarian cancer. She began her fight while becoming another statistic in Kentucky. 2 years later, she is taking life day by day.
I feel like I've been through a storm, but I feel like it's been a manageable storm.
In Kentucky, sadly, more and more people like Trigg hear the words, "You have cancer," every day. Nearly 26,000 Kentuckians will be diagnosed just this year.
Kentucky is the #1 state in the U.S. for the highest cancer rates and deaths. At the top of the list, smoking-related cancers like lung, followed by breast and colorectal cancers. It's a grim reality, but one the director of the Markey Cancer Center says his team is working to reverse.
I would say it really starts with prevention and education, and we have a number of programs really focused on our rural population to make sure that we get the word out about cancer and cancer screenings.
The Markey Cancer Center has made strides with colon and lung screening projects, been granted nearly $43 million in research-related funds, and it's also partnering with 16 medical centers across the state to help provide high-quality cancer care and bring programs to more areas. Slowly, all the hard work is starting to pay off.
But I really think that we're starting to see some fruits of our labor, but it doesn't mean that we can let up. We certainly need to intensify those efforts as we go forward.
As a cancer survivor, Jacqueline Trigg has felt those efforts. She's hoping one day there's a cure.
I tell people all the time, they're working miracles over there. You know, I honestly believe that those people, God is giving them something. You know, they're working through their passion. They're passionate about finding a cure.
Indeed, they are. Currently, Markey is seeing 5-year survival rates for lung, brain, prostate, and liver and ovarian cancers becoming higher than the national average. There is a way that you can help in the fight against cancer. For the month of June, Kentucky Cancer Link is kicking off its Until There Is a Cure campaign. And I think we're very blessed to live in an area that we have Markey, we have all the healthcare folks around us that are really doing a lot in terms of cancer.
Yeah, absolutely. It's sad that people still have to go through that, but hopefully working toward that day when you don't have to anymore.
Absolutely. Well, more on this story and the hashtag story, hashtag until, go to WKYT.com and look for ways that you can get involved.